last 3 months, because of COVID-19, schools have been shut. I hope that these materials that we present today will be beneficial to students in their final year of secondary or high school.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to have government. Our topic is political parties. Under this topic, we are going to take a look at the meaning of political parties, the features of political parties, the functions of political parties, types of political parties, and organizational structure of a political party. First and foremost, we are going to look at the meaning of political party. A political party can be defined as an organized group of people who share common ideas, opinion, principles, interests, and judgment with the sole aim of acquiring political power and govern the affairs of a country. However, a political party are basically important element of democratic system in which an association of men and women organize themselves and set out to struggle for power under the given platform called as political party. We are going to take a look at the features of political party. One, it is an organized group of people. By implication, a political party is a well-organized group of men and women who conduct themselves in accordance with the laid down constitutional procedure. Two, quest for power. Political parties exist in a democratic state with the aim of struggling for political power, set up machinery, and govern the affairs of a state or country. Three, political party manifesto. This is a formal documented plan containing the program of political or policies of a political party. The programs of a political party is known as party manifesto. It set out to implement them to fulfill its promises when it gets into power. Fourthly, we have political ideology. We said political ideology. This explains the philosophy and the school of thought which a political party advocates and intends to implement or propagate to the people. Political ideology is the nature and the idea of political system a political party believes to be the best. We have political campaign. In a political party, political parties also conduct peaceful campaigns to reach to the people and give them awareness about their manifesto which they intend to implement. We have political leadership. Each political party must have a disciplined and dedicated leaders with positive qualities who conduct and coordinate the party for the achievement of the political aims and objectives. Persuasion of the electorate. Political parties often use persuasive or appealing means to gain the mandate of the electorate rather than coercive or forceful means. Political constitution. Each political party has its own written constitution, which directs the internal affairs of the party in accordance with the party ideology. Next one. Functions of political party. There are many functions of political party. One, transition government. Transition government. Political parties are established in a country to ensure peaceful change in government by obtaining political power toward the establishment of new government. Secondly, link the government, link between the people and the government. Political parties also function as a link which connect the people with the government with the sole aim of bringing government nearer to the people. 3. Choosing a leader. It is an avenue through which the electorate or citizens choose leaders of their choice who will truly represent their interests in various political posts. 4. Dissemination of information. Political parties serve as a link which helps in disseminating or passing various government policies and programs to the members of the party. Education or educating the members. Educating the members. Various political parties in the country orientate and enlighten their members and the members of the public on their political rights and obligation as a citizen of the state. Influencing electorate. Influencing electorate. Political parties also play a prominent role along with the various electoral body to organize and conduct periodic, free, fair, and credible elections in the country. Functions as a watchdog. Political parties, especially those that are not in power, tend to serve as a watchdog to the one in power and make constructive criticisms of the government of the country. Conduct election. Conduct election. The political parties also play a prominent role along with the electoral body like Independent Electoral Commission to organize and conduct periodic, free, fair, and credible election. Types of political party. Types of political party. We have elite party, otherwise known as caucus party. This is a type of political party in which the members is made up of people from highest class in the society. They are those intellectuals and professionals from the upper and different hierarchy in the country who believe that the political system of the country should be established on educated and intellectual platform. Based on the idea of elite party, a country should be governed by well-educated and not illiterate. Example of people that are usually from elite parties are lawyers, doctors, businessmen, etc. Elite parties, as I said earlier, is also regarded as caucus party. 2. We have mass party. We have mass party. It is a type of political party which the members are made up of people from all sections and classes in the society. There are also no special restriction or criteria for joining mass party by the members of the public. Mass party comprises wide number of people from different tribes, ethnic and interest groups. This type of party aims at designing a manifesto that will see to the economic welfare of the masses. The manifesto of masses parties is directed to the interests of the public and aspirations. It aims to pursue their social, political, and economic well-being in the society. We also have third one, religious party. Religious party. This can be regarded as a type of political party in which the members are drawn from people with certain strong religious doctrine and beliefs in the society. Under this type of political party, religious processes and principles are often employed to drive the manifesto of the party home and appeal to the members of the public in order to gain power to steer the affairs of the state. Members of this political party are religious missionaries and fanatics. We also have the fourth one, charismatic party. Charismatic party. This is a type of political party established or formed by individuals with unique and outstanding desirable qualities, which make them to be respected by their followers. The charismatic party, the founder of this type of political party actually account for the reasons why members of the public join such party. Example of such parties in Nigeria are Action Group, UPN, led by Chief Obafemi Awolowo, NCNC, PDR, NPP, led by Nnamdi Azikiwe. We also have, finally, the fifth one, broker party. Broker party. This can be regarded as a political party in which the members comprise of people from both the higher and the lower classes in the society. The membership are made up of both the rich and the poor, so as to promote equality among the members of the society. The main motive of this type of party is to bridge the wide gap between the rich and the poor, also to pursue the general welfare of their members in the society. And then we have a diagram. It is a diagram that shows the organization of political party. On the diagram, as you can see, a political party is headed by the chairman, followed by the vice chairman. Under the vice chairman, we have secretary, treasurer, and then PRO, public relation officer, and followed by the members. We have member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and infinity. On the national level, we have national executives. In the national executive, we have also branch, state branch. We have local government branch, and then to ward level or unit level. References has been given to you here for referencing purposes. Please stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.